In this video, we are breaking down every single Turkish aircraft ever made. We're going from the early forgotten prototypes that most of the world never heard of, to the high-tech drones that every military on Earth is now desperately trying to get their hands on. Let's dive in. First up, fighters and attack aircraft. Nuri Demirag New D-40, a bold early step taken when the country had almost nothing to work with, proved that domestic design was possible during the 1930s when the rest of the world was still doubting Turkish engineering entirely. Pioneering spirit in metal and wood. TIE TF Khan, the crown jewel of everything the nation has built. Fifth-generation stealth fighter bringing advanced sensors and low visibility to the forefront of Turkish skis. Decades of ambition poured into a single aircraft. Ultimate achievement. T-129 ATAK, fierce attack helicopter built for high performance in the brutal heat and thin air of mountainous terrain, has become the cornerstone of modern fire support operations wherever Turkish forces are deployed. TIE Hujjet, advanced jet trainer and light combat aircraft marking a giant leap forward for domestic industry. Designed specifically to prepare the next generation of pilots for the most demanding fighter jets in the world. T-929 ATAK-2, heavy-class attack helicopter engineered to carry a massive weapons payload into the most dangerous environments imaginable. Offers incredible protection and firepower for missions others cannot complete. T-629, electric and unmanned attack helicopter representing the future of stealthy rotary wing operations. Combines raw power with cutting-edge autonomous technology in a way the world has never seen before. Next up, military training aircraft. Vesihi K-6, built by a true pioneer with almost no resources and no roadmap to follow. The very first aircraft ever designed and produced on Turkish soil. A symbol of determination, courage, and national pride that still echoes today. Historic milestone. Nuri Demirag New D-36, training aircraft built in the 1930s that played a vital role in shaping the first generation of Turkish aviators. THK-2, single-engine aerobatic trainer with sleek lines that proved local factories could produce high-quality airframes successfully and consistently. THK-15, metal construction training aircraft showing the clear evolution of manufacturing techniques, served as a reliable platform for student pilots learning their craft across a nation that was building everything from scratch. MKE-4 basic trainer that was a familiar sight at Turkish airfields for many years. Sturdy and forgiving, it helped build the flight skills of countless aviators. TIE Huakush B, variant packed with advanced avionics that bridges the gap between basic flight instruction and the high-tech demands of modern combat systems. TIE HK-2, upgraded trainer with improved capabilities ensuring the fleet stays modern and effective for decades to come. TH-11, dedicated training aircraft designed to deliver essential flight instruction and produce skilled aviators ready for whatever comes next. Continuing with military transport and utility aircraft. THK-5, designed as both ambulance and light transport plane, served a crucial humanitarian role connecting remote and underserved areas with medical care during the mid-century when roads were few and distances were vast. THK-10, light transport demonstrating the versatility Turkish engineers had developed. A practical and efficient solution for moving people and goods across a large and rugged country. T-625 Gurkbi, multi-role helicopter built to perform in the toughest environments on Earth. Serves both civilian emergency services and military needs with exceptional reliability every single day. T-70, powerful utility helicopter based on a proven platform, provides essential support for troop transport, search and rescue operations, and firefighting across difficult terrain. T-925 AGUSDA, large transport helicopter built to move heavy loads with ease, offers a spacious cabin and high-altitude performance for the most demanding strategic missions in the inventory. Moving on to military unmanned combat aerial vehicles. Bayraktar TB2, the world-famous drone that changed the face of modern warfare overnight. Highly effective, battle-proven, and reliable across multiple active conflict zones on 3 different continents. A revolutionary platform that rewrote the rulebook. Baritai Aksungur, twin-engine long-endurance drone with satellite control, providing constant surveillance and precision strike capabilities over vast distances without ever needing to land. Vestal Carriel, tactical drone known for impressive endurance and payload capacity, carries advanced sensors to gather intelligence around the clock without interruption. Tai Anka-S, medium-altitude long-endurance platform that gave Turkey an independent eye in the sky free from any foreign oversight or restriction. Bayraktar TB3, designed with folding wings specifically for carrier operations, brings powerful drone strike capabilities to the high seas for the very first time in Turkish naval history. Bayraktar Kizilma, unmanned fighter jet representing the absolute peak of modern Turkish aviation, combines high speed with stealth technology to dominate contested airspace. This is the future of combat. Up next, loitering munitions. SDM Kargu, rotary wing loitering munition designed for precision strikes, can hunt targets autonomously or be guided by a human operator depending on the mission. SDM Alpagu, fixed-wing kamikaze drone launchable from a tube, silent, compact, and a deadly tool for surgical strikes deep on the battlefield. Roksun Togun, long-range loitering munition with a delta-wing design capable of striking targets far behind enemy lines with pinpoint accuracy. Now, military gliders. THK-1, early transport glider demonstrating a clear focus on building air-mobile capabilities during the mid-20th century when resources were limited, but ambition was not. THK-3, single-seat glider used for pilot training. A simple and elegant way to teach the fundamentals of flight, lift, and control without the complexity of an engine. Finishing with licensed production. F-16 Fighting Falcon, produced locally under license and forming the backbone of the entire Air Force today. Versatile, battle-proven, and upgraded repeatedly by Turkish engineers to levels beyond the original design. CN-235, reliable light transport produced domestically for cargo, patrol, and humanitarian missions. Handles everything the Air Force demands with quiet efficiency every single day. From Vesih's first wooden prototype to Kizilma screaming through the sky on jet power, Turkey built its air force entirely on its own terms, and the world is only now beginning to understand what that truly means.